Hello and welcome.
I'm Miriam.
I'm Leonardo Barrionuevo.
In this video, we are going to show you the technique and styling for the walk, la caminada.
We recommend you to do this walking exercise always, even if you are just starting or you are an experienced tanguero or tanguera.
Before we start with the lesson, if you are new to the channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to it.
And please activate the bell notification so you never miss new content. Now, let's do this. Alright, now for us leaders, first of all, I would like to mention something that is very commonly asked, and is how we stepped. How if we put the heel first, if we put the toes first, flat foot. So we are going to be discovering that now. Yes? So with an exercise, throughout the exercise, I will be explaining this. Yes? Follow me and I will try to walk forward. And here's the thing. We're going to lower the position of our hip on the right side in order to step with the left leg. Now, if you notice, my foot is rotated out and it comes from the rotation of my hip bone. I'm lowering the position of the hip. Yep. Now from here, we are going to slide a little bit. This is part number 2. Part number 1 was positioning the leg. Part number 2 is sliding a little bit. Part number 3 will be transferring body weight. And for that, we are going to mark a line. And when we actually transfer weight, tack, we're going to put the heel down. Now, when we transfer body weight, we are going to push the floor with the back foot. Yes, which in this case is the right. Now, from here, we are going to pass by ankles together, brushing. And we start all over again. So, sliding, transferring weight, transferring, pushing, brushing, leg, heel down, and feet together in this case. Now I'm going to show you from the front how we overlap the knees. Yes, overlapping the knee, sending the leg, transferring weight, pushing the floor, overlapping the knee, sending the leg, transfer. Shoulder blades throughout all the walk is shoulders back, boom, and feet together. Now we're going to see how we walk backwards. Yes, let me show you. We are going to start walking from this side so you can see it from the side. And we are going to do this. Big toe first on the floor. And we are going to start rolling from the toes slowly while we transfer body weight. And the last thing, it will be your heel. So when we transfer to the heel, we start sliding the front leg. All this in balance because we have our shoulders back. Overlap the knee, passing by feet together, sending the leg. Again, first the line, rolling, extending the leg on the front, transfer, slide, and heel down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's do it a little bit on the beat. Walking backwards first and then forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to walk forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Walking backwards with the right. Right leg. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Change weight. 7, 8. To do one more time with the right leg front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8.
Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.